Didn't work. Did you turn it on after I get it up?
Yeah.
After I start talking?
Thought I had it on already.
No. Pretty close.
On or off? Hit or miss? All moving?
Oh yeah, it moves. Just a matter of does it work or not, it's the problem. So, I have a new tool.
Tool test. Oh, that's how it comes apart. I was going to ask you.
I'm an expert at getting these apart now. Okay, there's that piece. See that spring in there?
No, where? A little tiny one in there? Oh, wow.
A little short one right there.
That's a check valve, huh? Is that the one you stretch?
Yeah, I did on the other motor.
The other lifter? Oh, I guess. Come back pretty good though.
Did I stretch it?
Yeah.
Oh, it was accidental.
Twice as long as it was.
Now look at that one.
4 holes in it. That seems more proper to me.
That's definitely feeding oil. That is definitely feeding oil.
I guess you were right with your hint on the other one.
I don't know what S&S's deal with restricting it that much.
Well, they say that it helps the oil flow to the top end, remember?
That has nothing to do with the top end oil. That has to do with feeding the hydraulic unit. But either way, it doesn't work. That one had lots of oil being fed.
Yeah.
Just didn't work. Okay, now top end feed. This is your top end hole. So nothing else is going through. It doesn't have any other holes in there.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't think there was. So they got lots of oil flow getting to the back of the lifter. So why is the back of the lifter not working? Looks like the same size ball as the other unit.
Where'd the spring go?
This has a 4-way.
Oiler?
There's a 4-way cut instead of a 3-way cut. So I don't know why that's different. What do you do with the spring?
I was just asking, where's it at?
I don't know. It's your job. Probably down there somewhere.
Yeah, probably so.
Did you step on it yet?
I hope not.
Oh, okay. Should be right there next to that one. Now, if this seat has anything defect in it at all, it will not work. So did you have a defective spring?
I have no idea. Oh, there it is right there. Found it.
Did you have a defective spring in there?
Maybe.
Defective ball?
I don't know. It wasn't working. One way or another, something wasn't working right in it.
Defective plunger? How much pressure's on that now?
It just sits like down there, huh? Won't pop off?
You know, it's so strong it did it.
What holds it down there? Just
It's a spring.
putting it in there? Oh. It seemed like the spring would be putting tension to pop the whole thing off there.
This is a spring, by the way it's made.
Oh.
It's got tension on it now. Somebody might have accidentally oversprung it.
You move it?
It's got tension on it now.
You see it going up and down.
Mm-hmm. It's going up and down.
Okay, so that hole,
Pre-loaded.
I need a little oil in your cap there.
Got oil on it. So that's lubed. That's got some lube on it already.
Tribodyne.
Tribodyne.
So you're rebuilding the one that was in there already, huh?
Mm-hmm. And this might be magnetic because I used a magnetic device to.
Oh, I can go demagnetize it for you.
Well, I could just bring the magnetizer back over here. It's a lot easier to walk back and forth these days.
Yeah, since we're working with a magnet.
Last time I had it all over there, but now I'm just working with walking.
I would have followed you, but my legs are sore today.
I'm getting exercise. I need exercise. There's FedEx trucks. You order anything? Get some new lifters in there?
Hope so. Be nice.
Okay, now we're going to pre-lube this thing. Now this does not have a limiter in it.
Good. I don't like the limiters right now.
You don't like limiters? How do you limit
Well, it
your
was
stuff?
working better when we didn't have them in there.
Well, that has nothing to do with the limiter, does it?
I don't know. The whole lifter was bad.
If you put the oil up, it doesn't leak out so bad.
There's that.
That's got big grooves in that one. Okay, now we got to figure out if this is going to go good or not.
Want me to assist you?
I don't know yet.
This little screwdriver.
It does have the same clip as the other one.
Yep.
I thought it had a different
I
clip.
mean, S&S is making all of them at some Chinese place.
Well, the original cranes were actually made in Daytona.
I thought they were made by S&S.
You know, S&S bought crane after they went belly up.
Oh.
Before that, crane made crane parts.
I can't see a fucking thing.
I know, me either.
I think you're in there though.
I know. Come on now, it's me.
Oh, is that what that is? Time to eat?
Alright, I'll be back.
We're back again.
Okay, we're doing the modified lifter hole this time. Now this one, the only thing we did was the spring stretch. So it's the same lift that was not working. This one's pumped up, so we're letting it bleed down right now.
That's the one that wasn't working though.
Now this one I pre-pumped up, so it's fully loaded with oil. So we'll see
Didn't
what
the
it
other
does.
one? The other one was just like it was when it came out of.
See, it was solid. So that one flat, it got hard.
Yeah.
So we'll see what this one does. We know that one works, so if this one does the same thing, it's a good sign. If it doesn't, then it's not a good sign.
If it doesn't, I'm gonna go upstairs and buy me a new camshaft and some new springs for the valves. I'm gonna go home and take them apart.
What's wrong with the camshaft now?
Well, if it needs that, what else could be making the problem?
I think it's a cam.
No, the springs.
I had a problem with lifters before, so I was trying to figure out what the hell was going on. Okay, so let's see what we got now. There's our flat right there.
Fuel line the way again?
Nope. Okay, there's 0.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20.
Yeah.
Notice it
About
takes
3
a,
threads, like it's young, or went the nut.
you notice it takes a little effort to move it?
I thought it was, yeah. Pre-lubed or pre-hydraulic.
That means it's pumped up right now.
Yeah.
Now, is it going to stay pumped up is the question. Okay. So now we got to wait until these move before we do anything else.
So the turn?
So, does this one come down yet? No, it's not come down yet. See, it's tight. Yeah, it's tight.
It's real tight.
So these are pumped up right now. We got to wait for them to bleed down.
But check them, just make sure they turn.
And when they bleed down, then we can go ahead and put them back in. Now, these ones are working as far as we know, because they were all pumped up last night, as I recall.
Want the clips?
So they should be good to go. All right, we'll be back in a few minutes after we bleed down. All right, so this one here is loosened up. This one here pull tight.
Yeah.
It's been about, what, 10 minutes already?
Probably. So what did you have to do? Loosen that up a little bit on the other one? Or just tighten it a little more? Or?
Waiting for it to bleed down.
I mean, the first one is already loose, though. You do nothing to it yet?
Just let it sit. It bleeds down automatically. That's how they work. So the oil has to get past that check valve,
Right.
the ball, and I put that more tension on it so it won't go. So this one here has got heavy tension on it. Plus it's got the gear oil in there.
Once they get down, are you going to adjust the valves again? Once,
No.
once the tension's off them? You just want to wait to see if they work.
Hydraulic, that's how they work.
And
So this one here is ready to go. So it's already bled down. So right now I'm waiting for this to bleed. I can't start the motor. I can't turn the motor over until this one bleeds down. Because right now the valve is off the seat.
Mhm.
So we'll
You
let
don't
it
want
sit,
that.
see if it'll bleed down. If it doesn't bleed down, then that's a good sign. That means it's really working good.
But
So one thing I can do to cheat is I can lift about half the valve spring height up on it. Put extra tension on it.
yeah,
You put about 300 pounds of spring tension on there, it'll make it bleed quicker. So, but you don't want to go full up, otherwise you can bend the valve
mm-hmm.
by hitting the other valve, hitting the piston,
Right.
or you coil bind the spring, or you just call it, will come up, nail the valve seal, and take it out. So you don't want to go too much.
Coil bind, that means you're collapsing it.
Yes, I go solid. When I go solid, you bend push rods and
Mhm.
break things.
Don't want that.
So we can cheat a little bit, but you got to make sure you back it back up to make sure it's bled down. So right now it's full stiff, so you're gonna wait. So we'll come back another 10 minutes.
We'll be back.